1,000 miles of a journey starts with a single step. I would also like to start today with a beautiful greeting. Good morning. I am Akansha here to tell you all about a very fascinating topic. Isn't it very interesting to know about the cost of production of all the value of final goods and services produced, or the market value of all the value of final goods and services produced for selling in the market, either within our domestic territory or within our nation. So here is the fascinating topic which helps us to know all about such information. Before starting, we should know the important role of the three important concepts, that is depreciation, net factor income earned from abroad, and net indirect tax, for which we have gone through in my previous video. So here question arises, how to convert gross into net and net into gross. As gross shows the wholesome value which include depreciation also, but net shows actual value which does not include depreciation. Net always deduct the depreciated value. So to convert the gross into net, depreciation or depreciated value will be deducted, but to convert net into gross, depreciation will be added. Next question arises, how to convert national into domestic and domestic into national. I already told you, national always include net factor income earned from abroad also, but domestic income does not include the net factor income earned from abroad. So to convert national into domestic, NFIA, which is the actual income earned from abroad, will be deducted, but to convert domestic into national, actual income earned from abroad will be added, that is NFIA. Next, how to convert market price into factor cost and factor cost into market price. So very first, what is factor cost and market price? I already told you. Factor cost tells about the cost of production of all the final value goods and services produced. But market price tells about the final price of the value of final goods and services produced in the market for selling. That is, you can say market price also includes net indirect tax, but factor cost is only the cost of production which never includes the cost of net indirect price, that is net indirect tax. So to convert market price into factor cost, net indirect tax will be deducted, but to convert factor cost into market price, net indirect tax will be added. As I have given example also, if you are paying the price of any product, already it's written market price inclusive of all taxes. Now here we will start with the concept. In my previous video I already explained about the national income aggregates. Now here we are going to start with national income aggregate at factor cost and then national income aggregate at market price in detail. Firstly, we will start with national income aggregates at factor cost. So what is gross domestic product at factor cost? It tells about the value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country. Now question arises, what are included in gross domestic product at factor cost? Gross tells about the wholesome value of any assets. For example, if machine were purchased at 10 lakh and after 1 year its value get depreciated to rupees 1 lakh. So here that depreciated value will not be deducted, which is 1 lakh. So that's it's clear to you that in gross we are not deducting the depreciated value. That's why depreciation included in gross domestic at factor cost. It does not include actual income earned from the abroad or foreign countries, because domestic never include NFIA. But when we talk about factor cost tells only the cost of production, so it does not include the net indirect taxes. Next, net domestic product at factor cost. It refers to the income earned by all the factors of production within the domestic territory of our country in fiscal year. That is, example, you can take wages, rent, interest and profit, as already I described. Again, question arises, what does net domestic product at factor cost includes? Already I told you net shows the actual value which deducted value or depreciated value of any assets. So net doesn't include depreciation. Domestic never include net factor income earned from abroad, and factor cost always does not include net indirect tax because it shows only the cost of production. Next one is very important for you all, which is net national product at factor cost, as it is also known as national income, which shows about the sum of wages, rent, interest and profit paid to all the factors of production for their contribution of services in the production of goods and services in a year or fiscal year. So when in question it will be asked calculate national income, it means you have to calculate net national product at factor cost. Again back to the question, net national product at factor cost include depreciation also, because net shows always actual value where depreciated value will be deducted. Second, that is national always include the actual income earned from foreign countries, so NFIA will be included. And factor cost always does not include net indirect tax. Now the last national income aggregate at factor cost is gross national product at factor cost, which all tells about all the money value of all final goods and services produced within our nation or by the normal resident of a country, as it also includes the income earned by the normal resident from foreign countries within a fiscal. Again back to the question, gross national product at factor cost includes, as gross includes depreciation, national always includes net factor income earned from abroad. Factor cost does not include any taxes, so it does not include net indirect taxes because it only shows about the cost of. As we have completed through the national income aggregates at factor cost, so now it's time for national income aggregates at market price. So very first, what is gross domestic product at market price? It shows the market value or price of the aggregate money value of all the final goods and services produced within the country's own domestic territory within one fiscal year. Now question arises, what does gross domestic product at market price includes? Gross always include depreciation, which shows wholesome value of the assets. Domestic does never include the actual income earned from the foreign countries, so it does not include NFIA. But market price always includes taxes, that's why here net indirect taxes will be included. As I have given example, when you are paying the market price of any goods, here that written there MRP inclusive of all taxes. Now net domestic product at market price, it shows about the market value of the net money value of all the final goods and services produced within our domestic territory within one fiscal year. Again back to the question, net domestic product at market price include, net never includes the depreciated value. Domestic always does not include the actual income earned from the abroad, so it does not include NFIA. Market price always include taxes, so it includes net indirect taxes, which is indirect tax minus subsidy. Next, gross national product at market price. It tells about the market value of all the final goods and services produced within our domestic territory of a country by the normal resident, as it also includes the net factor income earned from abroad during an accounting year or fiscal year. Again back to the question, gross national product at market price includes, as gross always include depreciation, national always include the actual income earned from abroad, so NFIA will be included. Market price always includes taxes, so here net indirect tax will also be included. Now the last national income aggregate at market price is net national product at market price, which shows the market value of all the final goods and services produced within a fiscal year, which also include the actual income earned from the abroad, that is NFI. Again, back to the question, net national product at market price includes, as net does not include the depreciated value, so depreciation will not be included. National always include the actual income earned from the abroad, so NFIA will be included. Market price always include taxes, so net indirect taxes also will be included here. Thanks for listening, as you have learned a lot. Now I would like to think you more about the important and crucial role of these national income aggregates in the growth and development of our economy. So, continues to watch this channel for more interesting concepts.